Hey everyone, welcome to the LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about nail shaping, especially how to file and shape a nail into an almond shape. This is the nail polish that I'm currently testing out. It is a brown shade by the brand Swiss Beauty. I will be uploading my review of this nail polish in March 2021. Please click the eye icon which is on the top right side corner to view this video. As this video progresses, there will be more such pop-ups. Do check them out for more information. Now, before I head over to my next point, I have something very exciting to share with all my viewers. In this video, I have dipped my toes into doing a good old-fashioned collab. My very first collab is with another nail art YouTuber, and her channel is called Harshu Nails. She's an Indian YouTuber and her channel has a ton of designs. Do drop by her channel. I have mentioned the link in the description box. Don't forget to check out all my nail art and nail care related videos. It is a must watch for beginners. Basic information. I just want to mention some basic information before I start the tutorial. I've already covered the portion in detail in my previous video called How to Shape Your Nails into Oval at Home, Step by Step. It is episode 160. Shaping the nail. This is how my nails look naturally. I let them grow out for over 2 weeks or so. After shaping, some length does go. I start by using nail clippers. My nails are pretty strong, which means they don't chip easily. Also, notice the length of my nail. It is not that long. Due to all these factors, I can use a nail clipper and not risk chipping or breaking, and I'm done with shaping my nails much quicker. I trim the top part of my nail first. This establishes the length I want. Next, I move on to cutting the side part of my nail. Here it gets a bit tricky, so guys, pay attention. I have to cut it in such a way that a small edge is left on the top and almost no nail is visible on the sides. I clip my sides a bit angled. If this edge is a bit wide, it becomes an oval shape. If this edge is tiny, then you can easily achieve an almond shape. Now I have to smooth the edges and also round them up. I do this by using a nail filer. I'm currently using this nail filer by the brand Bronson. Do check out this video for complete details on how to file a nail properly using any nail filer. I file my nails always in one direction. I start from the corner side edge and glide it towards the center. As for pressure, try different pressures to see which one you are comfortable with. I also check my nail to see the progress after every few strokes. This prevents any shaping mistakes. Now I repeat the same process on the opposite side. I finish by focusing on the tip of my nail. After I'm satisfied with my nail shape, I now focus on the under part of my nail. This happens to me after I file my nails. I get this excess under my nails. I remove them by using the nail filer like this. Don't forget to check out this playlist. It has different nail shapes that you can easily achieve at home. Wash my hands. Now I wash my hands under running water to remove all the nail dust from filing the nail. Also clean and store away all the items I used. Nail care. I don't jump into applying a nail polish right away. I do a bit of mini nail care. Check out my salon style manicure at home video to see all the steps. These are my top 3 videos of this year, 2021. Did you check them out yet? Links to all the 3 videos are mentioned in the description box. If you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit the bell icon to receive all notifications. Bye!